Let's go fix something. Come on, you got your tools. Let's go. Andale. Say, Nana, what's broke? So I can fix anything but a broken heart. Hey, let me see your tools. Remi, let me see. What do you got there? Oh my God, you got tools? Well, what kind of tools are they? Huh? What kind of tools are they? Should we open them up? Let's open them up. Come here. Let's open. Open? Here, come here. Look. Open. Right here, look. This right here opens up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Check it out. Look at that. You got a hammer. Oh, you got nuts and bolts.
Put it here, Mama.
Oh my God. What else? But don't back up, okay? Don't back up. Just put it up close. No más sea. Here, watch. Look, this goes in here. Watch. Yeah. See? Get the hammer. The hammer's in here. Look at that. See? Look. Yeah, you got tools. Here, look. You hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it.
Very good, Remi. Wow.
You got the hammer. Here, hammer this one. Hit that one. Hit it. There you go, girl. Man. Darling. And this one, look. This is a wrench. See this one? It's a wrench. That one turns like that. See? Here, you try it. Put it in. Here you go. And hit it with the hammer. Hit it. Good job. Remi, say bye-bye. Remi, look at me, Remi. Remi, you like it? Hit it. If it ain't broke, I can fix it. Check it out.